Certainly, let's delve into each symptom of a dirty throttle body with a bit more explanation. And these are most common symptoms you will encounter. Rough idle. The throttle body controls the amount of air entering the engine. When it's dirty, it can't regulate airflow properly. This imbalance of air can cause the engine to idle roughly or even stall because the air-fuel mixture is incorrect. The engine may struggle to maintain a stable idle speed, leading to a rough sensation. Decreased acceleration. Acceleration depends on the engine receiving the correct air-fuel mixture for combustion. A dirty throttle body restricts airflow, which can cause delays in throttle response. You might notice a hesitation or sluggishness when pressing the accelerator pedal because the engine isn't getting the right amount of air it needs to generate power quickly. Engine misfire. An engine misfire occurs when one or more cylinders in the engine fail to ignite properly. A dirty throttle body can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, causing incomplete combustion. This can result in a noticeable stuttering or jerking sensation while driving, especially under load or at certain RPM ranges. Increased fuel consumption. When the throttle body is dirty, the engine may compensate by adjusting other parameters, such as increasing fuel delivery to try to maintain performance. This can lead to higher fuel consumption because the engine is burning more fuel than necessary due to the improper air-fuel mixture caused by restricted airflow. Check engine light cell. Modern vehicles are equipped with sensors that monitor various aspects of engine performance. If a dirty throttle body causes significant issues with air intake or engine performance, it can trigger a fault code in the engine control unit ECU. This, in turn, can illuminate the check engine light on the dashboard to alert the driver that there's a problem that needs attention. A dirty throttle body can have significant effects on engine performance and efficiency. Regular maintenance, including cleaning or servicing the throttle body as recommended by your vehicle manufacturer, can help prevent these issues and ensure smooth operation of your car's engine. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's advisable to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic to diagnose and address the underlying cause promptly.